Almost 50 years after a theft of 7 rupees 65 paise, a Mumbai court has finally closed a 1977 case involving two unidentified accused and a complainant who could not be traced despite decades of police effort. The case was disposed of Mazagon Magistrate as part of the initiative to clear long pending matters where the accused have remained untraceable or unidentified. The theft, reported in 1977, involved two unknown men accused of stealing 7 rupees 65 paise, which is a significant amount at that time. Despite the issuance of non-bailable warrants, the accused were never traced, pushing the case into cold storage. On January 14th, Judicial Magistrate First Class Aarti Kulkarni closed the case, observing that it had remained pending for nearly 5 decades without any progress. The court discharged the accused under Section 379 of the Indian Penal Code and directed that the recovered amount be returned to the complainant. It added that if the informant could not be located, the money would be deposited into the government account after the appeal period. The court noted that since the stolen amount was under Rs 2,000, the case fell under summary trial provisions of the Criminal Procedure Code meant to ensure speedy disposal of minor offence. The order also cited similar instances, including a 30-year-old passport case and a 2003 rash driving case, where proceedings were closed as the accused, informants, and witnesses were no longer traceable.